Hi everyone, here's step-by-step guide how to create account on Dogecoin wallet on your phone. So first of all, open up App Store or Google Play, it doesn't matter, and tap on search icon. After that, type in here Dogecoin wallet and tap search. After that, scroll down until you find this application, My Dogecoin Wallet, and tap on Get button. Confirmation you install. And after that, just a couple of seconds. And after that, tap on Open button right here. Then you can see. If you already have a wallet, you can tap on second button. But now I'm gonna tap on Create a Wallet. So now you can secure your new wallet. Set a 6-digit PIN. And after that, confirm your new PIN. Re-enter 6-digit PIN. And tap on Confirm PIN. So now you can tap on Backup your new wallet. Backup to iCloud or write on paper. So now you can copy to clipboard your seed phrase or write down, tap on Next button. So here you can confirmation your seed phrase. So once you do that, click on Confirm. Here you can tap Sign in or Skip. I prefer now to skip. And as you can see, my Dogecoin wallet successfully created. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. That's it, I hope it helps you can watch this new video or this playlist about Dogecoin wallet.